Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you discovery of neutron. Neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. He bombarded alpha particles on lighter elements like beryllium. Then some neutral particles are emitted. These neutral particles were called neutron. Symbol of neutron is 0 and 1 or n. So look here, discovery of neutron. Neutron were discovered by neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick. James Chadwick in 1932. He bombarded alpha particles. He bombarded alpha particles. He bombarded alpha particle on lighter element. On lighter elements like beryllium. Then some neutral particles are emitted. Then some neutral particles are emitted. These neutral particles are called neutrons. These neutral particles are called neutrons. Neutrons are denoted by, small n. So neutrons are denoted by small n or 0 and 1. Mass of neutron is 1.67. Mass of neutron is 1.676 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Neutron is a neutral particle. It contains no charge. No charge. Listen to me again, dear students. Discovery of neutron. Neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. He bombarded alpha particle on lighter elements like beryllium. Then some neutral particles are emitted. These neutral particles were called neutrons. Neutrons are denoted by n or 0 and 1. Mass of neutron is 1.676 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Neutron contain no charge. Now the reaction for the discovery of neutron is 4 beryllium 9 plus alpha particle 2He4. We get 4 plus 2 6. 6 number element is carbon and double of 6 is 12. After this 4 plus 2 6. 9 plus 4 13 means 1. 12 plus 1 13. So symbol of neutron is 0 and 1. This is neutron. Okay students, so I hope you can understand discovery of neutron very well. Now next topic is orbital diagram of atom. So next topic is orbital diagram of atom. First I am telling you atom of hydrogen 1H1, atomic number of hydrogen 1. So electronic configuration of hydrogen is, first I am telling you electronic configuration of hydrogen 1 1. So hydrogen's valency is 1. Now its orbital diagram is hydrogen hydrogen contain one proton and one electron in its last cell. So look here, this is the one electron of hydrogen atom. One proton and one electron. And this is the nucleus of hydrogen atom. After this, next is atom of helium. Second number is atom of helium. Atom of helium. Its a symbol we can write 2He4. Atomic number of helium is 2. Its electronic configuration 2. Now valency of helium is 0. Now first we have to draw nucleus. This is the nucleus. You know very well, dear student, from lower standard, nucleus contain proton and neutron. So nucleus contain 2 proton and 2 neutron. 2 neutron and electron present in last cell, that is the first cell, is a 2. So we can write 1 and 1, 2. Now I am telling you some higher elements. Now I am telling you higher elements. Similarly, you can draw 1 to 10 elements. Now I am telling you sodium. Atom of sodium. Number 3. Atom of sodium. We can write 11Na23. This is atomic number. This is mass number. So atomic number of sodium is 11. Its electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. In the last cell 1 electron present. So valency of sodium is 1. After this, nucleus. Nucleus contain 11 proton and 23 minus 11, 12 neutron. And first cell contain 2 electron. So this is the first cell. First cell contain 2 electron. Next, second cell contain 8 electron. This is the second cell, contain 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last cell contain 1 electron. So it contain 1 electron. Okay, students. After this, next I am telling you atom of calcium. Fourth number. Similarly, you can draw the orbital diagram of magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, oxygen, chlorine, argon, potassium. Now I am telling you atom orbital diagram of atom of calcium. Atom of calcium. Atomic number of its symbol is 20Ca. 40. Atomic number of calcium 20 and mass number is 40. So atomic number of calcium 40 means its electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 2. Its valency is in the last cell 2 electron present, so valency is equal to 2. So this is first, this is second, third, and this is the fourth. This is the nucleus. You know very well, dear student, nucleus contain proton and neutron. So calcium contain 20 proton, 20 neutron. First cell contain 2 electron. So we have to arrange 1 electron and 2 electron. Second cell contain 8 electron. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third cell contain 8 electron. So third cell contain 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last cell, fourth cell contain 2 electrons. So we can arrange this 2 electron in this way. 1 electron and 1 electron, 2 electron. Student, I hope that you can understand orbital diagram of hydrogen, helium, sodium, calcium. Similarly, you can draw orbital diagram of elements atomic number 1 to 20. After this, I am telling you, students, next topic. Next topic is valence electrons and valency. What is valence electron and valency? The outermost cell of an atom is called valence cell. The outermost cell, outermost cell of an atom, of an atom is called valence cell. The outermost cell of an atom is called valence cell. And electron present, and electrons present in electrons present in outermost cell, outermost cell are called valence electrons, valence electrons. For example, sodium, atomic number of sodium is 11, its electronic configuration 281. In the last cell one electron presents, so this is called valence electron. Okay, and this cell is called valence cell, valence cell. Okay students, I am telling you again, valence electrons and valency. The outermost cell of an atom is called valence cell, and the electron present in the outermost cell are called valence electrons. Now next example, sodium 11, electronic configuration 281. In last outermost cell, this is outermost cell, and electron present in outermost cell is 1. So we can say 1 valence electron present in sodium metal. After this, next topic is valency. The word valency first used by Frank Land. Combining capacity of an element is called valency, or number of electron number of electron lose or gain or share by atom of an element is called valency. Okay, valency. What is valency? Combining capacity of an element is called valency. Combining capacity of an element with other element is called valency. Number of electron lose or gain or share by atom of an element is called valency. Now I am telling you rule to find out valency. If in the outermost cell, if in the outermost cell 1, 2, 3 electron present, if last cell or outermost cell or valence cell contain 1, 2, 3 electron, then valency may be 1, 2 or 3. Or we can also say, if in the last cell 1, 2, 3, 4 electron, 1, 2, 3 electron present, then valency of the element may be 1, 2, 3. If in the last cell 4 to 8 electron present, then valency is equal to 8 minus n, where n is equal to 4 to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay students, so this is the valency. Now I am giving you some example to find out valency. For example, sodium, atomic number of sodium is 11, its electronic configuration 281. In the last cell 1 electron present, so its valency is 1. Magnesium, atomic number of magnesium is 12, electronic configuration 282. In the last cell 2 electron present, so valency is 2. Aluminium, atomic number of aluminium 13, electronic configuration 283. In the last cell 3 electron present, so valency of aluminium is 3. After this, I am giving you some other example. Chlorine, atomic number of chlorine 17, 287. In the last cell 7 electron present, so valency is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Next is potassium, atomic number of potassium is 19, electronic configuration 2881. In the last cell 1 electron present, so valency is 1. And other example is oxygen, atomic number of oxygen 8, electronic configuration 2, 6. In the last cell 6 electron present, so valency is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay student, I hope that you can understand this topic valency very well. Next topic is isotopes. What is isotopes? Isotopes, atoms of same element. Isotopes, isotopes. What is isotopes? Atoms of same element having same atomic number, different mass number. It's called isotopes. Look here, hydrogen. So topic is isotopes. What is isotopes? Hydrogen, hydrogen. These are called atoms. Atoms of same element having same atomic number. This is called atomic number. Atomic number. Atoms of same element is hydrogen. Atoms of same element having same atomic number, but different mass number. This is called mass number. This is called mass number, but different mass number. It's called isotopes. Isotopes of hydrogen are 1H1 protium, 1H2 deuterium, 1H3 tritium. Isotopes of oxygen. Isotopes of oxygen are 8O16, 8O17, 8O18. Isotopes of carbon. Isotopes of carbon are 6C12, 6C13, 6C14. Okay, students. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Now next topic is usage of isotopes. Usage. So usage of isotopes are number 1, cobalt 60. Cobalt 60 is used in the treatment of cancer. Cobalt 60 is used in the treatment of cancer. Next is cobalt 60, clear. After this, next is uranium. Uranium 90 to uranium 235 is used as a nuclear fuel in nuclear reactors. After this, third is carbon 14 is used determining the age of historical and geographical material. Carbon 14, 6C14 is used determine the age of geographical and historical material. After this, iodine 131 is used in the treatment of goiter. Iodine 131 is used in the treatment of goiter. Okay, students, iodine 131 is used in the treatment of goiter. Next topic is, after this I am telling you next topic. Next topic is electrovalent or ionic bond. The chemical bond formed by the transfer of electron from one atom to another atom is called electrovalent bond or ionic bond. I am telling you again, what is electrovalent bond or ionic bond? The chemical bond formed by the transfer of electron. The chemical bond formed by the transfer of electron from one atom to other atom. It's called electrovalent bond or ionic bond. So electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Chemical bond formed by the transfer of electron. By the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. It's called electrovalent or ionic bond. For example, sodium chloride. First example is sodium chloride. So look here, atomic number of sodium is 11. Its electronic configuration is 281. In the bond formation, last cell electron take part. Remember it, students. In the bond formation, outermost cell electron take part. In the last cell, one electron present, so we have to write here 1. and after this chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17, electronic configuration 287. In the last cell 7 electron present. So these 7 electrons take part in bond formation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can take electron by cross or dot. Next, sorry. Now this electron transfer. When this electron transfer, then sodium contain plus charge because lose negative charge ion electron. Now its electronic configuration become 2, 8, and chlorine gain 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cl minus charge. 2, 8, 8. Gain 1 electron. 2, 8, 8. Next example is calcium chloride. So look here. Next example, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. This is formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. Formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. So first we have to write calcium. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Its electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 2. In the last cell 2 electron present. So 1 electron and this is 2 electron. After this chlorine, 1 chlorine, 1 chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration 287. In the last cell 7 electron present. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To complete octet, 8 electron. Calcium lose 1 electron, chlorine gain 1 electron to complete octet. Similarly, this chlorine also gain this electron to complete octet. Chlorine loses 2 electrons, so calcium loses 2 electrons, so calcium contain 2 plus charge. Calcium contain 2 plus charge. Now its electronic configuration become 288. After this, next is chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 electron. After this, it contain minus charge. Here number of chlorine atoms are 2, so we can write in this way. 2Cl chlorine minus charge. Okay students, after this next topic is covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Look here. The chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron. By the sharing of electron between the atoms. By the sharing. The chemical bond formed. Next topic is covalent bond. The chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron. By the sharing of electron. Sharing of electrons. It's called covalent bond. Now, covalent bond are of 3 types. Single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. So look here. What is covalent bond? The chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons. After these types of covalent bond are of 3 types. First is single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. Next, double covalent bond. Next, triple covalent bond. A single covalent bond is formed by the sharing of one pair of electrons. A single covalent bond is formed by the sharing of one pair of electrons. Example, chlorine molecule. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration 287. In the last cell 7 electron present, so 7 electron take part in bond formation. Chlorine molecules contain 2 chlorine atom. In the last cell 7 electron present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to take 7 electron. For this chlorine atom also we have to take 1 electron. 7 electron in this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. This is chlorine. Other chlorine atom also share one electron. So a single covalent bond is formed by the sharing of one pair of electron. Example, chlorine molecule. Here one electron sharing takes place, so we can write Cl bond Cl. Next is double covalent bond. A double covalent bond is formed by the sharing of two pair of electrons. Example, oxygen molecule. OO. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration 2, 6. In bond formation, last cell electron will take part. In the last cell, 6 electron present. So it requires 2 electron to complete its octet. So we have to show 2 electron here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 electron, but we have to show 2 electron for sharing. Similarly, we have to write 2 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 electrons are represented in this way. 6 plus 2, 8. After this, 6 plus 2, 8. Here, 2 electron sharing takes place. So we can say O double bond O. After this triple covalent bond. A triple covalent bond is formed by the sharing of 3 pair of electrons. Okay, example is nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen N. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration 2, 5. In the last cell 5 electron present. So 5 electron will take part in bond formation. To complete octet, it requires 3 electrons. So we have to take 3 electron in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, for this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. After this 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Here sharing of 3 electron takes place. So we can say its bond structure is N triple bond N. Okay students, next topic is cation, anion, charge. What is ion? Charge species are called ion. Ion are of two types. Look here, ion. Charge species are called ions. Ions are of two types. First is cation, cations. Second is anions. Anions. Positively charged ions are called cations. Negatively charged ions are called anions. Cations are formed by lose of electrons. Sodium atomic number 11, electronic configuration 281. In the last cell 1 electron present. To complete octet, sodium lost 1 electron. Sodium lose 1 electron. Then it forms sodium ion 2, 8. After this, again listen to me. Positively charged ions are called cations. Cations are formed by lose of one or more electrons. Okay. Anions. Negatively charged ions are called anions. Anions are formed by gain of one or more electrons. Oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen 8. Electronic configuration 2, 6. In the last cell 6 electron present. It gained 2 electron and to form oxide ion. 6 plus 2, 8. 2, 8. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in this video. This is the approximate full video of this chapter. So, like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay, students, take care, stay at home in this coronavirus time.